Good morning, Caleb with Guaranty RV in Junction City here today, and we're going to be doing a walkthrough on this iconic toy hauler. It's about a 25-foot bumper pull toy hauler that you can tow with most trucks, half tons. Most new V8s will tow it. It comes equipped with a generator that's inside. It has two 7-gallon propane tanks up front. These are the biggest propane tanks that you can get on a bumper pull RV. Has a power tongue jack, so you don't have to crank it up and down. It's real easy to move. Docking lights. You have two spots right there for batteries and your generator that is inside. You got manual stabilizing jacks, the most reliable jacks out there. You got a power awning, outdoor speakers. Inside you'll see it's got tinted windows, so it keeps it pretty cool in here. It's a pretty open floor plan, so you got the big table and benches back here with the bed above. When you want to load all your toys in, all this will go right up to the roof and be out of the way. Big storage on both sides over here. Those go all the way across. You can store stuff up top too. Storage over here again. More storage. You got a really big basin sink for big pots and pans with a residential faucet to clean them off with. There's a 3-burner stove. One of these, the front one, is high output for boiling water. You got a 6 cubic foot fridge that does run on both gas and electricity. You can put it on an auto setting where if you're plugged in, it'll run off that. As soon as you unplug it, it'll run off propane. This way you can see the bathroom. Got a pretty good sized shower in there with a medicine cabinet with storage behind the mirror. Digital thermostat, so you set it to whatever temperature you want it to be and it'll either run off the AC or the furnace depending on whatever it needs to. You got the corner bed in here with 2 LED lights and then a pretty good sized shelf over the top, as well as a closet that you can hang, close in, and then a little drawer underneath too. So there are 2 LED lights under there and plug-ins as well. There are tie downs back here that are rated for 2,500 pounds, and then the ramp door is rated for 3,000 pounds. And then here's your generator that it will come equipped with. That generator is powerful enough to run your AC and everything. So yeah, this is the iconic. Again, my name's Caleb. If you need to contact me, my line is 541-321-2328. Any other questions about these, just give me a holler. Thank you.